Writing a Repair Order Quick Start Guide. This video is meant as a quick review of how to write a repair order in MaxxTraxx. For more in-depth information about the repair order process, please see our video series, Service Writing Basics. From the MaxxTraxx Schedule, Appointment Calendar, Status Workflow, or Tech Workflow screens, click the Repair Order button on the left of the screen. This will bring up the Customer List window. Start typing the customer's last name and the progressive search feature will narrow down your choices. If no customers come up in the search, you'll have to add a new customer and vehicle. Please see our video titled Adding a New Customer and Vehicle for more information. Highlight the line with the customer's name and double-click it or click the Next button. If the customer has more than one vehicle, highlight the vehicle you are writing up and click the Select button. If you have any reminders selected when the repair order opens, enter them here or click OK to bypass them. The repair order window will now open. The first thing we should do is add a reason for service, which is the customer concern. There are several options here for where to get that reason. For this video, we'll select a vehicle problem. This will open the library of reasons for service. The screen also has a progressive search field. Just start typing the keyword and narrow the search results. For this video, we'll type BR again for brake concern. This action will list all the brake concerns in our library. We'll select a line for the front brake service. At the next window, we can add or edit information for the repair order or select the service advisor. Click OK when finished. At this point, we can do several things, including saving and printing the repair order for your customer with the OK button, or attaching a label to the reason for service line. Please note that we cannot add a part to the reason for service line. Only labor operations can be added to a reason for service. Parts can be added to a labor line. To add a labor operation to the repair order, highlight the reason for service and click the Labors button. We again have several options. We'll select the labor service from list. The labor search window also has a progressive search. We'll again type BR to see the brake options. For this video, we'll choose the front pad replacement line. If you cannot find a suitable labor operation, you will have to add one. Please see our video titled Adding a Labor Operation for more details. Highlight the chosen labor line and click the Select button. This will open the Labor Service Sales Detail Information window. Within this screen, we can add more notes to the labor operation, select a technician, review any add-on charges, discount the labor operation, apply a warranty discount, and modify the hours charged to the customer. When you're finished reviewing the screen, click the OK button. We can again save and print the repair order, but for this video, we'll add a part. Remember, a part can only be added to a labor line. Highlight the labor line and click the Parts button. You have several options to select parts from. For this video, we'll choose a part from our own parts list. The Parts Search window has another progressive search field. Note that you can search by several different methods by clicking the tabs at the top of the window. In this case, I'm searching by part description. We'll type BR again to search for brake pads. Highlight the correct part and then click the Select button. The Parts Sales Detail Information window will open. Just like the labor window, we can review and edit the charges for this individual part. Click Save when you're finished. Please note that this is not a repair order until it is saved. No repair order number has been generated. From the OK button, we have many options for saving. We can save, change the status, print, even complete the repair order. Once any of these options are clicked, the repair order number will be assigned, the document saved, and it will appear on the service schedule screen. We hope you found the preceding video helpful. MaxxTraxx team members are readily available to provide personal assistance via several methods as shown here, Monday through Friday, 5 a.m. to 5 p.m. Pacific Time. Thank you for watching.